What is graph and what is tree? The difference between graph and tree, we can simply say the graph, vertices, edges. V for vertices, E for edges. And similarly in tree, vertices, edges. This is in graph not root element, or we can say no root element, but in tree we have root element. And what next? The graph may be directed or undirected. And what about tree? Tree directed. How? It can be top to bottom, or we can say root to children. What next? Connected. Graph can be connected, or we can say disconnected. And the tree will be connected always. What about graph? Graph can have cycle or no cycle. Both possibilities can be occur, and in tree no cycle can be possible. No cycle can be possible. So we can simply say how can be graph? Graph can be like this. Graph can be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices are there, edges are there. This can be a graph. Graph can be like this. Graph can be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can be the graph. Both are graph. And we can simply say graph and tree is graph and tree are a combination of edges and vertices. Or like simply graph, if disconnected graph, it can be like this. This is disconnected graph. We can simply say disconnected. And like this graph if we have, so we can say connected graph. So in both way, as we told, graph can be possible, connected and disconnected. And how we can calculate the degree? Suppose we have this so how to calculate the degree of vertices? A, because it have two number of children, so the degree of A is 2, that is equal to number of children. So A is having degree 2, like B is also having 2 children, so degree 2. C is also having 2 children, so degree 2. D doesn't have any children, so 0 degree. E doesn't have any children, so 0 degree. F doesn't have any children, so it's 0 degree. And G doesn't have any children, so 0 degree. So like this we can calculate the degree. And if we talk about the binary tree, so suppose if it is like this, A, B, C, D, E. So degree of A will be 2, degree of C will be 2, degree of E will be 0, degree of D will be 0, and degree of B will be 0. So binary tree can have maximum 2 children, max 2 children. Binary tree can have maximum 2 children. Or we can say strictly binary tree is strictly binary tree or full binary tree. This is strictly binary tree or full binary tree. But if have 0, 1, 2 children, then the binary tree but not strictly or full binary tree. If it have only 0, 1, 2 children, then it can be binary tree, but it cannot be strictly or full binary tree. But if it is have only 0 and 2 children, then it is called strict binary tree or full binary tree. So like that we can understand the difference between graph and tree.